You're leaving massive margins on the table on eBay, whether you're buying or selling, because you need to understand offers. And this is how you get a good deal or simply get your item sold a lot faster. It all comes down to psychology. And if you are selling on eBay, what's going to happen is if you enable offers, you can get more people to buy, and you can see this new client generate an extra $7,000 on eBay. It does take time to generate sales depending on what items you have. Now, they are newer. It is the holiday season, but what you want to do is go to listings, active listings. Once you have some active listings running, you're going to get a message like this: send offers on 7 of your listings. And this is where you can generate that sale, right? This is where it comes down to psychology. And you can send offers to actual buyers, right? So you can send a percentage off, maybe 5% off, 10% off. Send automated offers for 30 days straight automatically for interested buyers. And you can allow counter offers if you want. You can see increased buyer engagement by 25%, right? So pretty much buyers are going to be more engaging with you. They're going to be sending counter offers. Now they want the product more. They're investing more time. So if you can do this and automate this, this is how you can win at the end of the day. So definitely try this out. I would try it out without the automation first, see if you can get an uptick in sales, and then start the automation depending on what product it is. Now, we utilize 3D sellers. There's a link right in the description. This is one of the ultimate eBay tools. Now, they do have automations on here, a lot of different bots, feedback, right? Automations where you can generate different sales types, designs, but we've got offer sending and offer responses. This is pretty much like eBay's tool, but it's on steroids. It's a lot more powerful. So you definitely want to try it out. This does come with a free trial. So we can do automated offer send. And then again, it's going to be the same thing that we do, but we can have different filter on specific listings when the other one on eBay kind of just went through all of the listings and then it didn't have any offers for responses. So this is where you can automatically accept or automatically decline different counter offers. And this is where you can get ahead, right? So this is where the customer is getting exciting. It's more like a game. That's what you want to do to help increase your sales. But that's the whole gist of this video. I hope you learned something new. Drop a like. We are eBay experts. You can contact us right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.